Good morning students. Last day we have discussed the basic concept of ratio, proportions and unitary method. So today I am going to discuss some problem sums first from ratio, then I will discuss some problem sums from proportion and the last unitary method. So first sum for today's session, that is Mr. Sahai and his wife are both school teachers and earn rupees 16,800 and 10,500 per month respectively. Then find the ratio of Mr. Sahai's income to his wife's income, then Mrs. Sahai's income to her husband's income, then Mr. Sahai's income to the total income of the two. So first is Mr. Sahai's income to his wife's income. So Mr. Sahai's income is to his wife's income. That means Mr. Sahai's income is rupees 16,800 is to his wife's income is rupees 10,500. So here the units are same, rupees. So no problem at all. So 16,800 by 10,500. Now so 8 by 5, so the ratio equal to 8 is to 5. This is the first answer of the first part. Now come on the second part, which is just opposite the first part. Here Mrs. Sahai's income to her husband's income. So Mrs. Sahai's income is to her husband's income. Husband's income. So here Mrs. Sahai's income is rupees 10,500 is to rupees 16,800. So 10,500 divided by 16,800. Now simplify this. So 335 is 105, 356 is 168. Now 7 5 is 35, 7 8 is 56. So 5 by 8. So the answer equal to 5 is to 8. This is the second answer of the first question. Okay. Now the third part, that is Mr. Sahai's income to the total income of the two. So Mr. Sahai's income is to total income of the two means, so that you have to add the Mr. Sahai's income and Mrs. Sahai's income. Now what you have to do, so you have to find the ratio of Mr. Sahai's income is to total income. So Mr. Sahai's income is to total income. Total income means the addition of Mr. Sahai's income plus Mrs. Sahai's income. So Mr. Sahai's income is rupees 16,800 is to rupees 16,800 plus rupees 10,500. So rupees 16,800 is to rupees 27,300. Now 16,800 by 27,300 So 8 by 13 is equal to 8 is to 13 is the third part of the first question. So here Mr. Saha's income is to total income. So Mr. Saha's income is 16,800 is to rupees 16,800, which is the income of Mr. Sahai, and rupees 10,500 is the income of the Mrs. Sahai. So 16,800 is to 27,300. Now 16,800 by 27,300 is equal to 8 by 13, which is 8 is to 13, which is the result of the third portion of the first sum.